Hi guys, welcome back to another new video. I hope everyone is doing good. And this video is especially for housewife. Today I'm going to share you actually what I'm doing in evening. Keep watching till the end. To enaka ase moi evening time de kina kore ase to apni khan ke olap share kori dibole mon jase. Simple ase moi first so bacha khan la books khan de kiba kibi likhibo first likhi kina tai ke likhule di ase etia to nasai kina to likhibo na pare tai moi khan amajon kiman ase first moi khani enaka study kore bishide tai khan ke hikai upai nai moi khan bi etia to zero de ora start kore ase moi khani student hoi jaise chalo etia to pat bana shuru ide boil banase aro ide chicken evening laga aro khala bi khaise na hoi kina ide to kali garni pachala shiu khan ready kore ase aji bara ready kuna rakhibo moi khan morning de bi uthi kina bishi taratari hoi jai eto karne moi evening de pura sob ready bana rakhe moi hope kore ase ki sob maiki manu khan ena kori thakbo bina aro moi uniform khan be iron press koribo mota ora help koribole ase tai bishi phal mari ase moi to iman expert na iron press korile so etia to kuma bole time bom jase tai tun pe na kuma ke de olap khili ase so I will like video de ora end koribo thank you so much for watching bye bye take care see you in my next video